Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we'll discuss about the simple, complex and compound sentences. So let's go. So at first we have to know what is simple sentence. Simple. So what is the meaning of the simple? We can say that normal sentence. It has the subject, one subject and one finite verb. So one subject plus one finite verb. So this is the main structure, main features of the simple sentence. So what is the meaning of the simple sentence, Mahi?
Short বাক্য.
Thank you. So we know that the simple sentence meaning. And next, he walks. So first one is subject and last one is that finite verb. So what is finite verb? At first you have to know that what is the finite verb. Finite verb is included in the transitive and intransitive verb. So transitive and another one is intransitive. So what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb, you have to also know. So you can say that transitive verb, for example, it has the object. He bought a pen. So this verb is VT, that is transitive verb. So why it is called the transitive verb, Mahi? Because it has the object. First feature is that it has the object. And if we asked this verb what and whom, if we ask the question by the word what and whom, it will give us the answer. For example, what bought
a pen.
A pen. Okay.
Whom bought
Whom,
he.
for example, I help him. So helped. Whom helped? Him. So this is the process or system to understand that this is the transitive verb. Another one feature, for example, a pen is bought by him. So this one is object, next one is am, is or are. Next one is the past participle form of the verb, next by, next one is subject according to this sentence. So this one is the passive voice. So in the transitive verb, if we see in a sentence, then we can make it the passive voice also. So only three characteristics of the transitive verb. First one is that object is must. Next one is that if we ask that the question what or whom, it will give the answer. Anyone, no problem. Okay? Anyone, it will give the reply or answer. Next one is that we can make it the passive voice. So then we can say this is the transitive verb. So transitive verb, it has the function in the finite verb. So finite verb includes transitive and intransitive verb. So in this way we can understand that what are the simple sentence. It has another features, that is intransitive. For example, in this sentence, he walks. So this is one is intransitive verb. So already I have written here. So this is intransitive verb because transitive and intransitive includes in the finite verb. So what is the meaning of the include? In the list. What is the meaning of the list? Okay. For example, this is the serial. Okay. I have written the law, the method, the principle. In that principle, I am writing down your name. For example, one is Mahi, two is Ishan, three is Han. This is the list. What is the meaning of the list? You're right. What is the meaning of the list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is on the
লাইন হচ্ছে
yes. This is one kind of row, but in this row there are 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. So this is the list. When you are going to the shop, you need some item to buy. For example, 1 is potato, 2 is salt, 3 is sugar. So in this way, these are the list. So what is the meaning of the list? List. What does means the list? Okay, so this one is that 8 serially.
তালিকা
You're right. So I am saying about the list. So the list of transitive, intransitive, these are the verbs which are inside of the finite verb. Do you know? You have the box. For example, this is the mobile phone. In this mobile phone, you have some items: battery, SIM, memory card, motherboard, display. All are in the packet. This is the set. So in this set, that is finite verb, these are the included. These are the enlisted. Okay, these are the part of finite verb. Do you understand? What is the meaning of the part?
No, sir.
You're right. So finite verb, it has the part. One is transitive, intransitive. Okay, these are the, and auxiliary verbs also there according to the tense. So in the simple sentence, what does we find out? We find out that transitive verb, intransitive verb generally. Okay, and it has also the difference. How? For example, first one is that principal and auxiliary. So in this case, first one is principal auxiliary. So first one is that principal verb, next one is auxiliary verb. And principal verb has two types. One is transitive, another one is intransitive. One is transitive, another one is intransitive. Okay, but auxiliary verb, it has also types. For example, first one, be verb. Second one is do verbs. Last one is have verbs. And fourth one is modals. For example, be verb is am, is, are. Do verb is do, did. Okay. Have verb is have, has, had. Okay, modals auxiliary can, could, may, might, shall, should, etc. So these verbs and these verbs, transitive and intransitive, all are in finite verbs. Okay, but according to another sentence, for example, he is tall. So is, what types of verb? Transitive, intransitive, principal or auxiliary?
is হচ্ছে auxiliary verb তো
Okay, if you write down this is the auxiliary verb, it is not the auxiliary verb.
principal verb
This is not the auxiliary verb. This is one is the principal verb. But why? Auxiliary verb takes the principal verb's help. Do you understand?
ও
For example, he is walking. This is the auxiliary verb and this one is the principal verb. But this one is the principal verb because in this sentence there is no another verb. What actually happened? The happening is things that if you classify these verbs, you can find out another types. One is action verb, another one is non-action verb. So what is action and what is non-action? If you are in this moment punch anyone, that is action. If you don't say anything, just saying that I am a student or he is tall, in this sentence is does not doing any work. For example, I am standing, this is my work, but I am thinking, this is also work. How? When I am going to thinking, in the time I am working mentally. So this is very tough. Okay, I am saying that what is your favorite hobby? Sleeping, reading, watching TV? What? Watching TV is very interesting thing, but I am saying that you have to watch TV month full month,
It's not
non-stop.
possible.
It is impossible. Thinking, it is very easy. I am thinking, okay. But when I am saying that, you have to think all day long for 7 days, for 1 month, for 1 week, for a year. Is it possible? No. But what happened? So these are the verbs which is very much hard
Very
activity.
hard.
Okay. So this is called the action. But in this sentence, he is a tall. So in this sentence,
Tall.
is what is the what is it the action? Is
No.
it showing any types of word?
No.
It is not showing any types of
Non-action
word.
verb.
You're right. For this reason, this is called non-action verb. Okay, but non-action, but this is the principal verb. But these are the this one. He is walking. So in this sentence, is and walking. It is depending on this verb. For this reason, this verb is action verb. Okay. And this one is the auxiliary, but this one is not auxiliary. I hope you can understand. These are the important things you have to write down. Your homework is that you have to find out transitive, intransitive verb list.